Hello everyone and welcome back to TechAvro. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can earn money from YouTube. In order to earn money from YouTube, you need to have your channel monetized. Without monetization, you cannot earn any money from YouTube. So I made a previous video on how to get your YouTube channel monetized. Go check that out. But a quick summary is these requirements. You'll have to fulfill these requirements for monetization, and then you're gonna start earning money per views, per likes, and you're gonna have this analytic over here. In the analytic, you're gonna see watch time, watch hours, subscribers, and once you're monetized, you're also gonna get this little bit of money thingy in this page. I'm not really sure where, but somewhere around in one of those tabs. So yeah, that's how you can earn money from YouTube. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.